In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to determine the equation of a circle. We've been given the point -4 and 3. We want to determine the equation of a circle which passes through this point. The first thing you want to do is sketch a circle that goes through this point. I've gone ahead and done that already. I want you to imagine a right triangle being drawn with this point, -4 and 3. That would make this side a leg, this side a leg, and this side the hypotenuse. Since the hypotenuse runs from the edge of the circle to the center of the circle, that would actually make the hypotenuse also the radius of the circle. Which means if I use Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, I'll be able to determine the radius. If you take a look at the general equation of a circle, which is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, you'll notice that this equation is pretty much the same thing as Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Since my x coordinate is -4, I can replace x with -4. And since my y coordinate is +3, I can replace my variable of y with +3. We can simplify this. -4 to the power of 2 is -4 times -4, which would give you +16. And 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. 16 plus 9 gives you 25. To determine the actual radius, we need to square root both sides of the equation. And the square root of 25 is 5. Since our radius is 5 units, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared.